Let's get you the updates on Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned today as the poll campaigning intensifies ahead of the last leg of polling that will be taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. He will be arriving in a short while from now in Jammu, where he will be addressing the mega rally. Let's straight away go across to Akansha, who's joining us live right now. So, Akansha, two phases of polling are over. First phase saw an impressive voter turnout. Second phase as well. Even when it comes to the third and the last phase, Prime Minister himself today will be in Jammu.
Well, absolutely, Amita. And see, the focus is now on Jammu. This is the third, the last and the most important phase. In fact, Prime Minister will be arriving in Jammu in some time and will be addressing a mega rally here. Remember, in the last few days, all the political focus is now on Jammu region, because out of the 40 seats that are in fray in this particular phase, mostly all of them are in Jammu region. And that is why in the last few days, we have seen various BJP top leaders, JP Nadda, Rajnath Singh, Yogi Adityanath, Amit Shah, all of them campaigning in the Jammu division. And today, Prime Minister is going to arrive here in just some time and will be addressing a mega rally in Jammu city. And it is expected that thousands of party workers and supporters will be gathering in a stadium which is in Jammu city only. And this will, as BJP is saying, will help them garner.
The rains don't hamper or dampen the spirit there of the people, because I would about to ask you if the people are about to reach there, but it seems that it's raining there. What is the situation looking as of now? When is the Prime Minister expected to arrive?
Well, the Prime Minister is slated to arrive around 12 o'clock, but because of the rain, as you also pointed out, Amita, the program could be slightly delayed, but that is something that remains to be seen. We are told that the rain will stop in another 1 hour. So it remains to be seen whether the program will in fact begin in Jammu. But this definitely will be the highlight. Remember, in the last few weeks, ever since the elections were announced here, Prime Minister has been visiting Jammu, and most importantly, the Jammu division. Out of the 40 seats here, most of them are in Jammu, and last time the BJP won maximum seats, and this area is said to be the stronghold of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and that is why Bharatiya Janata Party is focusing more here, because they want to garner more votes here, they want to garner more seats in this region. So this will be a very important rally. Thousands of workers.
So it's raining there in Jammu as we speak, but around noon, Prime Minister's arrival is expected there. Remains to be seen how the people there will be ready to welcome the Prime Minister's presence, as he will be holding one of the last rallies before the third phase of elections happen in the Union Territory.